Hello guys, welcome back to Upto Brain. In this video, we are going to talk about Polkastarter. Let's start this video with the first question. What is Polkastarter? Polkastarter is a blockchain platform designed to provide an easy to use launchpad for cross-chain token pools and auctions. It is most commonly used by early stage blockchain projects that want to raise capital and easily distribute their tokens at the same time. Through Polkastarter, blockchain projects can easily create their own cross-chain swap pools, which allows them to securely raise funds while users can invest without risk, since swaps are automatically executed by smart contracts. Pols is the native utility token of the Polkastarter platform and plays a number of roles in the ecosystem, being used for liquidity mining, governance, paying transaction fees, and gaining eligibility to participate in Pols holder only pools. The platform first went live in December 2020 and has quickly grown to become one of the most commonly used platforms for the initial DEX offerings. As of January 2022, Polkastarter operates on Ethereum blockchain. Let's move on to the next question. Who are the founders of Polkastarters? Polkastarter features an executive team over 3 decades of combined experience in tech firms. It was co-founded by Daniel Stockhouse and Thiago Martinez, who currently hold the roles of CEO and CTO at the Polkastarter respectively. Now let's move on to the next question. What makes Polkastarter unique? Polkastarter's main offering is its fixed swap smart contract, which allows projects to easily launch liquidity pools that execute orders at a fixed price, rather than using AMM model made popular by Uniswap. The platform is designed to handle a range of auction types, including sealed bid and Dutch auctions, as well as both fixed and dynamic ratio swaps. This makes it suitable for cryptocurrency projects looking to raise funds, as well as a variety of other use cases, including private trades, OTC deals, and discounted sales. So now let's move on to the price prediction of Polkastarter. You guys can see the price prediction on your screen. Here comes the year 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025. And the last year is 2026. So guys, this was our take on the Polkastarter coin. What are your thoughts about this coin? Do let us know in the comment section, and for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel Upto Brain.